Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if Motorola Moto G05 won't recognize your fingerprint. So if your fingerprint unlock constantly fails, we have to set it up once again. And to do that, go to Settings. In Settings, select Security and Privacy menu right here. Then let's go to Device Unlock. Make sure that you have the screen lock set up. Then go to Fingerprint. Enter your screen lock and remove all the previously enrolled fingerprints. Then before we add a new one, let's make sure that the fingerprint scanner is clean. So grab a piece of a microfiber cloth or just your t-shirt and wipe the surface of your side button to make sure that there are no stains on it. And then tap Add Fingerprint and proceed by adding a new fingerprint. So gently press the power button, then lift your fingertip and press it on the side button once again. Make sure to not actually press the power button. And once the pattern gets filled with blue color, your fingerprint is added. And we can check it straight away. So just lock your phone, then unlock it with your fingerprint, and everything should work just fine. And if this doesn't work, then as an additional sensitivity improvement for your fingerprint, we can actually enter the fingerprint menu once again, then tap Add Fingerprint again, and then proceed by adding the same fingerprint one more time. This will improve the sensitivity of your fingerprint detector. Okay, so we have added the same fingerprint 2 times. Now we should return back to Settings, and to make sure that everything works well, let's scroll down to System Updates. Make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi and check your device for updates. And if you do have an update to install, then take your time to do that. And after that, let's restart the phone to make sure that all the changes have applied. To restart your phone, just press power button and volume up keys at the same time and select Restart. And then let's wait until the phone is restarted, and then we're gonna have to check the fingerprint sensor once again. Okay, so the smartphone is restarted. The first time we unlock it after the restart, we should enter the screen lock pattern or password. Then let's wait until the phone is reloaded. And now let's check the fingerprint scanner once again. So just put your fingerprint on a fingerprint scanner and your device should unlock immediately. Okay, let's check it once again. And as you can see, everything works perfectly, and I hope that it does for you too. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.